super nice chop saw, expensive blade. And what do? I found a way to ruin the teeth on there. Because this shavings drawer was not secured. It goes in there, but if you don't have it secured, or you take it out and you don't forget to turn that 90 degrees, it ruins your blade, makes a super loud noise. Fortunately, I'm not injured. Double check, or leave it out. If you're gonna vacuum out the shavings anyway, just leave it out. Now, I did buy this through Amazon, but you can also buy it through the website directly. So this is a follow-up from my blade missing teeth due to my own fault. I reached out to Evolution Power Tools and let them know what happened, and even though it was operator error, they went ahead and gave me a replacement blade. Made in Japan. And I have absolutely zero complaints with this blade. As long as you secure your shavings tray, this blade will just keep on going and going. Here's the back side of the blade to get the most out of it. Nice, even pressure, full speed. They should put number 4. Don't let your shavings drawer touch the blade. Sometimes you can remove the shavings drawer. That way there's zero chances of your blade hitting it. Absolutely 100% recommend this blade and chop saw, and I will be using it in the future as well after this blade is done. Once again, I want to do a size comparison. This is the original that we were working with. It's about 20 gauge, super thin. And this is the material I'm working with. Minimum of 1/8 inch thickness. You can go a little bit thicker, you can supplement it with flat bar. But this original material reminds me of a soda can. They built them super light duty, hardly any reinforcements. So it's not new, it's better than new.